Dear friends, for those who don't know me, I am Lal of Computer Science branch and currently holding the post of Secretary of Maitra CET 1986. Maitra CET 1986 was formed in the year 2015 as a charitable organization with a special focus on the welfare of our batchmates. In the same year, Maitra CET 1986 was registered as a public charitable trust with the stated purpose of discharging social responsibilities, including upliftment of economically weaker sections in particular, with 8 founder trustees from the 1986 to 90 batch of College of Engineering, Thiruvananthapuram. The membership of the trust is open to all our batchmates. The trust deed was subsequently amended to provide for more members of the trust to become members of the Board of Trustees. The trust has also obtained Form 12A from the Income Tax Department. Ever since its inception, Maitra CET 1986 has been active in various charitable activities. We were also able to assist several of our batchmates who were going through various crisis situations, financial and otherwise. Now let us have a look at the journey so far.
In 2015, Maitra CET entered into an MOU with CET to support innovation and for supporting needy students. This was for a total amount of Rs 7,50,000. 2 installments of Rs 1,50,000 each have been released so far. Maitra CET coordinated the rollout of an educational grant for a batchmate's child for education in a premier institution. The required fund was donated by another batchmate who wishes to remain anonymous. The student has completed the course with excellent performance. Maitra CET could also assist 3 batchmates who approached Maitra CET for financial assistance for medical treatment of self, parent or child. We contributed Rs 50,000, Rs 9 lakh, Rs 2 lakh respectively through special fundraising. We also helped a batchmate towards educational expenses for their child. Maitra CET also conducted several other charitable activities. We could contribute essential supplies worth Rs 1.88 lakhs towards 2018 Kerala flood relief. There is an ongoing fundraising campaign for COVID-19 relief.
It is now 5 years since Maitra CET 1986 was formed. It was a rewarding journey for all of us involved. Years to come will bring their own challenges. Let us hope and pray that we are prepared for it. Let us hold hands for a better tomorrow. If you would like to become a member, please contact me or one of the governing council members. Thank you for listening to us patiently. Enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you.